Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to remove and replace your headlight bulbs in your Elantra. This one's a 2009. Let's check it out. Okay guys, and to replace these bulbs, we're going to come over here and you're going to see we got these little covers on them. I believe that's your high beam, that's your low beam. You're just going to twist left, take them off, and that is going to look like this over here when they're taken off. And now the video is upside down. And for your low, you're just going to reach in here and you're going to twist it left. You're going to, just like a coin, you just kind of twist that piece left and that'll pop out. And then for the high beam, we would just pull this little connector off, and then we take this little metal clip, push down and come out like that, and then your bulb will come out. So that's pretty much it, guys. Y'all can take it from there. Thanks for watching.